Hi guys, if you have some semolina, why not make some semolina cake? Start off by creaming together the butter and the sugar. Add in the eggs with a teaspoon of vanilla essence mixed in. Set this aside. Next, mix all the dry ingredients together. I have the flour with about a quarter teaspoon of salt, the semolina, baking powder, coconut, as well as nutmeg, cardamom, and cinnamon powder. Gradually add in the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients with some of the milk. Pour the batter into a greased baking pan. Sprinkle on some colored almonds and bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for between 35 and 40 minutes. Soft and delicious.